Do 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 do.
I'm kind of surprised you don't have a.
Say hello.
What? Oh,
Say hello in high def. High def
I'm
camera.
on high def right now.
Huh?
You can see all my
Shadows.
Alright.
5 o'clock shadow.
Sit down here now.
What's?
I'm kind of surprised you don't have a casing around the thing too.
Yeah, I'm getting one on Amazon. It's probably coming tomorrow.
See, I don't want a casing on this, because this thing looks sexy without the case, but with the case on it looks like a chunky piece of shit.
That is a big phone.
Yeah.
Alright.
And it's got a keyboard on it, which I like, but it's not on the
Yeah,
front
the
of it
torch is like that,
BlackBerry.
except it goes
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was a strange move.
Yeah.
Are we going camera to camera here? Is that
I don't know.
happening?
I don't know, maybe.
Alright, Joe.
Yeah. No. Oh. I'm adding effects.
What?
Yeah, I'm filming on some black and white.
Okay, Joe.
You're filming some black and white. Okay, I gotta open this thing while keeping my hands in.
Here's my camera.
Go, do it.
Just do it. Oh, okay. I need an actual SD card to take black and white video.
Put it on this thing.
I gotta find something else to stand it.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! I could probably just put it down.
Alright.
Yo, no sudden movement, guys, or I will be pissed.
Okay. No promises.
You're like a big cat. Who's to say when I might react? I think I might have put my SD card in wrong last time I clicked that.
Yeah, that's right, Kevin. You opened that pack.
You can film yourself. I'm not gonna film this.
No, just put this
Open
on,
your pack.
I have a feeling this will be
Open
shared
it.
anyway.
Open it.
Shared to the world.
Open it.
Forget how to open you. Don't film me. Don't film me struggling to open the battery thing on my Android.
Oh!
Do you remember when we got like 3 of him in one video?
Yeah, that was pretty funny. Pretty good. That was probably the most useless pull of all time.
Yeah, to take the battery out.
That's not bad.
What'd you get? Did you get a Palkia G yet?
No.
Oh!
Not just a tool for your gain.
Oh no, it's an earthquake! Ah!
Oh yeah, you're looking for the trainers and stuff, right?
I guess. If you find your Cyrus's, I'll trade you for them.
Alright. Conspiracy?
Yes.
Initiative. Alright, so.
Cyrus's initiative is fiendish. Fiendish, I tell you.